Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be going over BigCommerce key features and pricing plans. And I'll also be showing you how you can get the best discounts that they offer on all of their services. So if you're looking to create and manage your online store all from one place, then make sure to stick around till the end of the video. But if you want to get straight to the discounts, check out the links in the description for all the deals that I'm about to cover, which you won't find if you go directly to their website. Okay, now it's important to note that BigCommerce is an e-commerce platform that helps businesses create and manage online stores. So it provides all the tools and features that you would need to set up your online store, manage products, handle payments, and process orders. Now, one standout feature of BigCommerce that impresses me the most is its robust scalability, because it's designed to specifically grow with your business, whether you start with a small inventory or manage thousands of products. Plus, the built-in SEO tools and customizable options help to make business operations more efficient and increase customer attraction and retention. Now, this scalability can be a game changer for businesses looking to expand their online presence without necessarily the hassle of migrating to a newer platform. And overall, the seamless transition from small scale to enterprise level businesses make BigCommerce a top choice for longer term growth. All right, now let's talk a little bit about BigCommerce pricing plans. So they offer 4 plans to choose from: the standard, the plus, the pro, and the enterprise plan. And starting from the standard plan, which includes all the basic features you need to create a website and start selling. And it normally costs around $39 per month. But if you go to their website by checking out the link in the description below and choose the annual billing option, then you'll get a 25% discount on it, bringing the final cost down to around $29 per month. Plus, this will also get you a 15-day free trial to try out their services before buying, which you wouldn't find if you go directly to their website. And this discount works on other plans as well. So if you do decide to go for the plus plan, which offers different marketing tools to grow your business, like the customer groups and segmentation features that divides your customers based on pricing and promotions and helps you improve sales, it'd cost around $79 per month after the discount. But if you want to get all the best features that BigCommerce has to offer and to help scale your business in the future, which I mentioned earlier, then I would recommend you check out the Pro plan, which would cost around $300 per month after the discount. And as for the Enterprise plan, it's a customizable plan, and you can add any set of features that you want, and you would get the price after you quote the tools that you want. And that's going to be it for today's video. Just to reiterate, if you want to take advantage of the best deals that they have on offer, go down to the description below where you'll find links to all these discounts and deals, as well as an in-depth review of BigCommerce. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. And finally, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.